Upset neighbors in Prospect are speaking out tonight in a township trustees meeting. They're worried about how nearby pig farms and how it could be affecting their health and their property. NBC4's Courtney Yoon reports from Prospect.
Concerned residents in Prospect are making their voices heard tonight. They're worried about nearby pig farms and how it's affecting their air quality, water quality, and property values. Sam Lauer says he's worried hog waste could be getting in his well water.
The under 2,500 head count are self-monitored. They're supposed to be monitoring themselves. Can we trust them now? I don't know.
His property has neighboring pig farms nearby.
They're just putting up more and more. There's no stopping them.
Other residents spoke up at a trustees meeting tonight, complaining of strong foul odors coming from the pig farms, as well as water quality concerns and property devaluation.
I'm all for the good farmer that's doing things right, that cares about the environment and their neighbors. But too many of them just don't care.
David Isler's family pig farm neighbors Lauer. He says residents should not be concerned.
Hog farmers are great stewards of the land. They understand what it takes. You know, we know what we're doing out here. It's not, you know, we use science. We have our soils tested. We have our manure tested.
He says they are environmentally conscious, including using cover crops and no-till farming techniques.
These hog barns are made to hold manure until there's that right time to put it on the ground. When we do apply the manure, which is a great fertilizer, it's organic fertilizer, we know how much to put on and we know where to put it.
State Representative Dorothy Polanda and a representative from State Senator Dave Burke's office were also in attendance at the meeting. In Prospect, Courtney Yoon, NBC4.